It's called snow washing, when illegal money is brought into this country used to buy up properties through things like numbered companies. It's a big enough problem that a joint study released a couple of years ago found that more than $28 billion in GTA housing was bought by corporate entities between 2008 and 2018, the vast majority of which with no information on beneficial owners.
There's a lot of room in there for nefarious actors to park their dirty money in Toronto condos and use them as safety deposit boxes in the sky.
Experts have long called for a public registry where beneficial owners of properties would have to be listed. The federal government has started the process of putting one together. The Ontario NDP is also introducing a bill that would require trusts and partnerships to disclose that information. For more information on this story, you can find it on City News everywhere, online, radio, and on television tonight. Mark McAllister, City News.